If you love watching glamorous videos and would like to be notified every time you drop a new one, please bash that bell icon below.
This is from Amita Bansal. How to remove deep tan from arms?
Hi Amita. First of all, if you've got a tan, that means you've been out sunning yourself without using a sunscreen or without covering your arms. Okay, so that's it. It's a done thing. Now what you have to do is that apply some creams. First of all, use a sunscreen whenever you step out. The sunscreen has to be UVA plus UVB plus IR, it should say, and an SPF of 30 to 50. So apply the sunscreen on all the exposed areas. And now for detanning, you can use creams which contain hydroquinone, but that has to be under a doctor's supervision, a dermatologist's supervision, or creams containing vitamin C about 15% or arbutin. Or another thing you could do is that you can come to the clinic and we have detanning procedures like chemical peels, which are very safe, and lasers, which are ND, YAG, Q switch, which are also very safe, and they can be done in the clinic.
That's simple and amazing
Yes.
at the same time.
So you do something yourself and you come to us for the expertise.
That is amazing. Alright, so the next question is, I'm mostly indoors. Do I still need to apply sunscreen?
Yes, because nowadays everyone who's indoors, unless they're just sleeping in bed for 16 hours, which people don't do, you are in front of your laptop, you are in front of your phone or your tablet. So that radiates IR radiation, that is infrared radiation. Or if you're cooking in the house, you need to protect yourself, so you have to use a sunscreen which says UVA plus UVB plus IR radiation blocking, and you have to use it even when you are indoors. And of course the LED lights, they also are sending out all the radiation to you, so definitely you have to use it.
So it's like a number one thing.
Yes,
to
yes,
taking care of your
yes.
skin.
You get up in the morning, you wash your face, you can moisturize your skin, and over that you have to use your sunscreen.
Alright, thank you so much, doctor. So let's move on to another one. This is from Nidhi Malhotra. She wants to know if there's a permanent solution for dark circles.
That is easier said than done. Nidhi, now dark circles has many causes. It's caused due to allergies, it's caused due to if you've been up till 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and if you sleep at 3 or 4 and you wake up at say 10, it is because of lack of sleep. So first we have to find out in you what is the cause. If it's lack of sleep, then I'll probably tell you to sleep for 6 to 8 hours. And if you have allergies, if you have a B12 deficiency, if you have an iron deficiency, all that will be corrected. Plus, you have to use a sunscreen, as I mentioned before, a broad spectrum sunscreen. And of course, then you can use some lightening creams. And those lightening creams are, of course, they contain vitamin C, vitamin E, and retinol creams. And of course, you can come to my clinic.
Thank you so much. Have a great day. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.